morning students, how are you? Hope very fine. This is your science teacher Afreen. Okay, today is Thursday 9th April 2020. Today we are going to revise again the same chapter, the light sources, unit 4. Open your learner's book, page number 38 and 39. The unit will be 4.1 and topic is the light sources. What is the topic? Light sources. Yesterday we studied the same chapter, light sources. Open this again. Okay, today I will again revise that same question. What do you mean by light sources? Yesterday I explained the objects that give out light are called sources of light. On your screen you can see different light sources: the sun, lightning, the lamp. These are the sources of light because they are giving the light. Okay, so we are telling them they are the sources of light or light sources. Okay, so look at the screen. There is sun, earth and moon. So I am asking, the moon is a light source. Is the moon a light source? Because in the night time we can see the moon is so much shiny. It means it is also giving a light. It should be a light source. So my question is the moon a light source? But the answer is no. The moon is not a light source. The moon only reflects the light from the sun. It is not a light source. When sun's light come on the moon shines. Okay, when the sunlight come on the or falls on the moon, it shines, and this shine reflect the light, and we are looking that the moon is giving the light, but the moon is not giving the light. Due to the sun, the moon shines. Okay, due to the sun, the moon shines. You can see on the screen the yellow color suns. When giving sunlight, the moon shines, and down the green color picture is showing the earth. So on the side also written reflected light from the sun. So the moon is reflecting the sunlight, and we are thinking the moon is a light source, but the moon is not a light source. It is full black, but sun's light make it shine up, and it is shining and looking like a light source. So again I will repeat the question: is the moon a light source? No, the moon is not a light source. The moon only reflects light from the sun. Okay, the another question: name some objects that reflects light. Means in the previous question I explained that moon reflect the sunlight. It is not a light source. Now in this question we have to give some another example which are reflecting the light, but they are not the source of light. Okay, so number one is moon, MOON, moon. Next one, water, WATER, water. Water is also reflecting light. So sometimes we are thinking, sometimes water is shining when light falls on it, and it is looking like water is also a light source, but water is not a light source. It only reflects the light. And mirror means in the mirror in which we are looking our face, looking our dressing. So when the light of bulb or tube light or any other light falls on the mirror, it reflects the light, and it is looking that the mirror is shining. But mirror is not any source of light. It is only reflecting the light. Okay, so again I am going to repeat the question: name some objects that reflect the light. The answer is number one, moon, MOON, moon. Number two, water, WATER, water. And number three, MIRROR, mirror. Moon, water and mirror. Now I have Another activity for you. What you have to do, look the question, identify and write natural and man-made for the following light sources. On your screen you can see there are 4 pictures, 4 light sources. Okay, so you have to identify them whether these are natural or man-made. So you have to identify and then you have to write for them natural or man-made. Okay, look the first picture, candle. Candle is not natural, it is made by man, so you will write there man-made. Next one is sun. Sun is natural light source. The third one is a bulb. Bulb is made by man. And the stars, it is a natural light source. Okay, candle man-made, sun natural, bulb man-made, stars natural light sources. Now your homework, learn all the work. What you see in the video, try to learn that, and you can draw the pictures of natural and man-made light sources. Thank you so much. Bye bye students.